So I'm at the car park of one of the waterfalls. These are the vendors to sell their stuff. All sorts of concoctions. You can smell pancakes. Not sure what they are. I might stick to, good old 7-Eleven. Can't go wrong there. When in doubt, just pick a 7-Eleven sandwich. Always good. Guaranteed. Fresh. So this is where you get your ticket. All fully automated. But nothing saying in English, so somebody help me. So there's my ticket. 2,001, which is about $2.50 or something, to see the waterfall. So I'm going to see how exciting this is. Ducks are all waiting for the action. I hope that's not the waterfall. I wasted $2.50. Black carp. Lucky they don't eat that. This way to the falls, 350 metres. Must be a bit of a loop. The local workers doing a good job. We've finally got some cherry blossoms coming out. Weather's got pretty warm the last couple of days, so I think they'll probably all come out very soon. The guy did some painting. So this is the Cheonjiyeon Falls. 22 metres high, 12 metres wide. So here it is with no tourists in front of it. This is what's known as throwing your money away. First of the cherry blossoms. White. There's some more cherry blossoms. Hope to see a lot more before I leave here. Now heading to the Jeongbang Falls. Once again we have to get a ticket. This is the top of the steps that go down to the falls. If you wanted to, you don't have to even go down there. Okay. Tried to get a discount, but they said only for Korean seniors. The last one didn't discriminate. 120 steps to get down to the bottom, apparently. Great spot for a picnic. Even tell you where to walk. Walk down on the right and up on the left, just so there's no confusion. Watch your step and beware of skidding. Not slipping, skidding. No swimming. Do not enter restricted areas. Slippery rocks, slippery rocks. Do not go near the sea when high tide. No smoking. Okay, but have fun. And try and get a clear picture. Now we've got to climb back up 120 steps. More cherry blossoms of the red type. I'm now trying a Korean hot dog, 2001, which is $2.50. Quite tasty. The lights here go from red to green, and when they go from green, they go green to green, orange, and then red. Just telling me
300 meters, red light camera.
It's giving me plenty of warning about this red light camera. 50 kilometers an hour. There it is there. No red lights. This lady's rushing. She's only got 4 seconds. No, she's missed her. She's... Okay, this is a walk I'm about to do. It's called the something or other. See a song, something peak. Very popular. Walk to the top, then walk around. So we're in the car park, and you can see the walk has started. Okay, so it's called the Seonsan Ilchobong Peak. Once again, we have to pay only 2,000. No seniors allowance. So it's only what, $2.50 or something. Pretty cheap for a walk. Have the Jeju Woman Diver Performance, 1:30 and 3 p.m. Okay, we missed that. It's 4 o'clock now. Sure, we're not diving into the water. It'd be freezing. This is the ascending trail. Brick steps for a change. Okay, we're at the top. And this is the view. Enjoy. There's my little car waiting for me. Oh, camera. Tummy for short. And that's the walk. This is the view from the other side. This is the top of what must have been a crater of some sort. Extinct volcano maybe? Supposedly made by a god, a footprint. This is the descending trail from the other side. Decided to take the easy way down. Just nice easy steps, these ones. This is Udo Island. You can get a ferry across there and ride a bike or a little moped around there apparently. I don't have time to go this time. Not a lot to see apparently. This was formed by when the volcano erupted. Caused an unusual shape. Please forgive me for what I'm about to do. I'm in a hurry for something to eat because I'm going to go back up the mountain to get a sunset, and I've just seen a McDonald's and it's cheap and easy. What about cheap? But it's easy, so please forgive me. You have to forgive me for this. This was a McShanghai burger with chips and drink for $6. Otherwise, up the road, very touristy, they were selling one shish kebab was $5, or you can get a hamburger, egg and bacon without the eggs, they didn't have any, and a coffee for $10. So this is good value. So then I'm going to go back up and get a sunset. So here we are, walking back up just to get a sunset. Could be a good one, better be.
벽에다 널 떠오르게 하지 네 맘 끝자락처럼 차가운 바람 창을 열면 온통 네가 불어와 이 시간이 전부 지나고 나면 이별이 끝나 있을까 yeah. 널 다 잊었을까 모든 게 자리를 찾아서 떠나가고.
This is my new home for the night, the Memoria Resort. Double bed, got a microwave this time, and little sink, shower, and a separate toilet with fancy gadgets. And this one's even got a cooktop. Not that I'll need it. So this was on TV, of course, $69 a night.